Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today I have 5 delicious apple tricks for you, and number 5 is my recent and newest time-saving. You're gonna love it. All right, first things first. When you cut your apple, I suggest that you flip it upside down because then you have more surface area. The next little trick for you here, rather than cutting right down the middle and then having to deal with flushing that core out, what I suggest that you do is cut it like a tic-tac-toe grid. I'm gonna go ahead and put that right back in there. So right on the other side of the core, I'm gonna cut. On this side of the core, I'm gonna cut as well. And then you can see I have 3 slices right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and make myself a nice little tic-tac-toe grid like so. And then we have some beautiful apple slices and your core is completely taken out. Now before we do that, let me show you the next trick. If you want your apples to last longer, I suggest getting yourself some lemon juice and just squirting that a little bit on your apple. And then to make it last even longer, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and put this apple together back very carefully. Grab yourself a rubber band, put it right around your apple. You don't even need to put it in a baggie. If you don't want to, you can take it on the go and you will have a delicious, healthy snack at your fingertips. If you want to make your life even easier, and this is great for kids, get yourself an apple slicer. Anything I talk about will be linked in the description box below. Super affordable, worth the time. Press down, and there we go. We have our slices and it's decored. I do think this option you are able to have just a tiny bit less waste, and then it's super fun just to take these, pull them out. I'm so excited to eat these. Who doesn't love apples with dun 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 peanut butter? It's healthy. I love it. My kids love it. But here's a thing. Cleaning the peanut butter out of these bowls is an absolute nightmare, and then it gets stuck on your sponges and your scrub brush, and then if you just put it in the dishwasher is not gonna get all that peanut butter that's stuck up in here. So here is my little secret tip for you. Get yourself some aluminum foil, just plop it in your bowl right here, and then when you're done eating your apple, all you have to do is take out the extra peanut butter that did not get eaten, and your bowl is clean. But bam! Give this video a thumbs up, click the video on screen now for some additional cleaning and life hacks, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.